You may feel your current data protection strategy is fine. But when was fine good enough? What if you could strengthen your data protection by leveraging joint solutions with Lenovo and Veeam? In today's global workforce, sensitive company information is transmitted through solutions such as Microsoft Office 365. However, Microsoft doesn't provide comprehensive backup and protection without help from Lenovo Data Center Solutions and Veeam Backup for Office 365. Lenovo and Veeam are better together. With Lenovo and Veeam, organizations that struggle with low levels of data availability, inadequate data access, and environmental complexity can maximize ROI, achieve rapid and comprehensive recovery, and simplify IT. Veeam enhances data protection for Lenovo with 24/7 Office 365 availability, high performance, localized hyper-converged infrastructure, and cost-effective, flexible data protection for multi-purpose workloads. Learn more about the Veeam Alliance partnership with Lenovo at vee.am/Lenovo.